I want to show you my go-to camera backpack. I've been using this for a year. It's still like brand new, and I've been all over the place. I carry all kind of electronic stuff. This is a hard shell backpack. And this side here is very, very durable. But what's great is you can't access it from this side. So when you're carrying your bag, there's in no way anybody's going to get into it while you're walking and not being able to see what's going on behind you. Everything accesses from the back. Right where the straps are, traditional straps, padded, super comfortable. Got the netting across here and an extra strap across the middle to give it even more strength when you really got to move quick. Now taking a look inside, now I've got this loaded up already, and I don't even know exactly what I got in here. All right, so right now I'm traveling with 2 cameras, a tripod, accessories. Let's take a look here. So we got a EOS R7, I got a 3-position battery charger, I got a nice little mini tripod, and some more batteries, an L bracket, A7, battery charger, card holders, card readers. It is just holds however I want to do it. So you've got adjustable pads here on the inside. They just Velcro in. Here you have the ability to carry a laptop, iPad, I think about 14 to about 15-inch max for a laptop. And then, you know, the normal, all kinds of little pockets. But the fact that it's hard shell, weighs 3.3 pounds, I can stuff it, I can throw it on my back, keep my core items with me, and travel. And I don't worry about it. It's not going to break down.